Multi-purpose river valley projects. It is a scientific management of water resource in our country. Construction of dam across rivers is aimed at many purposes. Hence it is termed as multi-purpose river valley projects. The various purposes of a dam serves are irrigation, hydropower generation, water supply for drinking and industrial purpose, controlling floods, development of fisheries, navigation, etc. Generally, majority of multi-purpose projects are combination of irrigation and hydropower, which are the major aims of projects. Agriculture is the process of producing food for the people, fodder for cattle, fiber, and many other desired products by the cultivation of certain plants and raising of domesticated animals. What are the determinants of agriculture? Agriculture in India is determined by set of factors. Some of the important factors are physical factors, institutional factors, infrastructural factors, and technological factors. Types of farming. First one, subsistence farming. A considerable proportion of farmers in the country practice subsistence farming. Farmers grow crops with the help of family members and consumes almost the entire farm produce with little surplus to sell in the market. Preference is given to food crops. In addition to the food crops, sugarcane, oil seeds, cotton, jute and tobacco are also cultivated. Traditional farming method results in low productivity. Shifting agriculture. This type of agriculture is performed by tribal people in a piece of forest land after clearing the trees through felling and burning the trunks and branches. Once the land is cleared, crops are grown for 2 or 3 years and the land will get abandoned as the fertility of the soil decreases. The farmers then move to new areas and the process will be repeated. Intensive farming. Intensive farming is an agricultural intensification and mechanization system that aims to maximize yields from available land through various means such as a heavy use of pesticides and chemical fertilizers. Dry farming. This type of farming is practiced in arid areas where irrigation facilities are lacking. Crops cultivated in these areas can withstand dry conditions. Mixed farming. Mixed farming is defined as a system of farm which includes crop production, raising livestock, poultry, fisheries, beekeeping, etc. to sustain and satisfy as many needs of the farmers as possible. Terrace farming. This type of cultivation is practiced especially in hilly areas where lands are of sloping nature. The hill and mountain slopes are cut to form terraces and the land is used in the same way as in permanent agriculture. Since the availability of flat land is limited, terraces are made to provide small patches of level of land. Soil erosion is also checked due to terrace formation on hill slopes.